Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to study the lesson number 4, Connected Speech. In this lesson you will learn some techniques such as linking sounds, elision, writing, and assimilation in order your English sounds naturally and friendly. Also, you will learn how to write phonetic transcription of text using the full APA and the representation of linking sounds and elision. Connected speech is a spoken language that's used in the continuous sequence, as in normal conversations. It is also called connected discourse. There is often a significant difference between the way words are pronounced in isolation and the way they are pronounced in the context of connected speech. For example, words or syllables can be clipped or run together, or their stresses can change. Consonant to vowel linking. The first linking case occurs when a word ends in a consonant and the next one begins with a vowel sound. For example, I want this orange. I want that orange. That orange. This afternoon. Is he busy? Is he busy? Cats or dogs? Cats or dogs? Vowel to vowel linking. Another important linking case is when certain vowels come next to each other and extra sound is added to make the line smooth. In other words, when a word ends in vowel and the next one begins with a vowel sound, we add an extra sound to make the pronunciation easier. In these cases, we insert an U sound at the beginning of the next word. For example, she wants to be alone. She wants to belong. I'd like the yellow apple. I like the yellow apple. Did you exercise? Did you exercise? Linking R. The linking R sound in English is an extra sound that we use between two words when we were connecting these two words together. If we pronounce the words separately, we do not use an R sound between them, but we pronounce them together. We say a R sound between the words because it makes the words easier to pronounce quickly. For example, 4 apples. 4 apples. The car is mine. The car is mine. The door is open. The door is open. Okay. Activity in clause. Identify the type of line or concatenation that corresponds to the following sentence and highlight the connection in red. Write it on a towel. Who is your favorite actor? The people from the media are here. They should stop it. There needs to be law and order. Why am I the last one? I will read a book.